brought to you by Jumpin' the Channel, a skateboard documentary now playing at dhshredder.com.
So we're at Lancashire and Sherman Way, and there's a fire. Yeah, a big one over there by the railroad tracks. The local kids and street gangs would refer to this day as the Flames of the Terror Train. This was my second newsreel video effort for NVS. I was working for these boys. So I took the call and rushed to this location to discover flames, some as high as 30 to 40 feet. The entire neighborhood was out for the evening, taking their nightly stroll alongside the flames and the railroad tracks of the local pallet factory. We have trains, we have fire, we have smoke, we have the local street kids. What on earth could possibly go wrong next? Here's an aerial view from 2019 of the location on Lancashire at the railroad track crossing. The pallet factory was right there on the right where it looks like a homeless encampment at the moment. Here's a closer look. The legend of the Flaming Terror Train.